You grab your phone first thing in the morning. Without thinking, you scroll through the same app again. You bite your nails during stress every time. You skip breakfast day after day. These aren't choices. They're habits controlling you right now without you realizing. How habits control your behavior without you realizing. The psychology of habits and automatic behavior. Every habit begins as a decision, a simple conscious choice. You decide to check your email after lunch. You think about it. You weigh it. You act. That's the start. Conscious effort lights up your prefrontal cortex, the brain's planning center. It burns energy, high energy. But repeat it once, twice, 10 times. The brain notices. Patterns emerge. Neurons fire together. They wire together. Hebb's law in action. Synapses strengthen. Effort drops. The decision fades. Now lunch ends. You check email. No thought, no question of, do I want to? The brain skips the debate. Straight to action. Automatic. The behavior shifts to the basal ganglia, deep brain structure, habit central. Here, actions run on autopilot, no conscious override needed. This transition happens silently, over days or weeks. You don't notice, but your brain does. Efficiency wins. With repetition, consciousness exits. The brain stops asking. It executes. A cue hits. Lunch bell. Desk view. The response fires. Check email. No deliberation. This is automatic behavior. 40% of daily actions, studies show it from Duke University research. Habits dominate, not decisions. The mind conserves, runs on rails. Why does the brain crave this? It consumes 20% of your body's energy at rest. That's huge for 2 pounds of tissue. It seeks shortcuts, always. Habits deliver. They slash mental load. Prefrontal cortex rests. Basal ganglia takes over. Low energy zone. Responses speed up. Predictability reigns. Chaos avoided. Habits create stability. Familiar paths through uncertainty. Evolutionary gift. Quick reactions. No hesitation. In ancient times, vital. Today, same system. Running modern life. Visualize it. Conscious choice. Brain lights up fully. Energy spikes. Habit mode, dim glow, minimal power. Savings compound, daily. Emotions fuel the loop. Every habit ties to a feeling. Relief after scrolling, dopamine hit from snack, safety and routine, tension avoidance. The emotion strikes first. Brain tags the behavior, links cue to reward. Charles Duhigg's loop. Cue, routine, reward. But emotion anchors it. Amygdala involved, emotion processor. It whispers, this feels good. Repeat. Unconscious glue. Without feeling, habits weaken. With it, they stick deeply. Why repeat harmful habits? You know they're bad. Smoking, doom scrolling, yet they run. Stored in unconscious basal ganglia, fast track. Logic lives in conscious prefrontal cortex, slow lane. Mismatch. Trigger hits, unconscious fires first. Logic arrives late, too late. Habit wins. Split brain reality. Knowing doesn't stop. Automation overrides. Environment trumps willpower. Brain reacts to cues, place, time, sights. Home desk, coffee pours automatically. Office chair, posture slumps. Bedtime glow, phone lights up. Same person, different places. Behaviors shift. No conscious choice. Cues embedded. Hippocampus maps them. Context drives. Willpower fights uphill. Environment dictates. Studies confirm. Stanford Habit Lab. Change scenery, habits falter. With automatic behavior isn't weakness, not flaw, not stupidity. It's survival machinery. Eons in making. Basal ganglia evolved for this. Hunt without thought. Flee on instinct. Energy preserved for threats. Modern world hijacks it. Vending machine cues, notification pings, same ancient system, behaviors automate, easily influenced by ads, by routines, by design. Humans run on rails, mostly. You don't live by decisions alone. Habits run the show. Autopilot mind, executing silently. Understanding this reveals the machinery. Awareness dawns, not fear, just fact. Habits control without realizing. Habits shape you, unseen.